Translocation of solutes. Solutes move upwards in the xylem with the ascending pull of the water, and this ascending pull of the water is so caused by transpiration pull. Soil as reservoir of essential elements. Soil contains certain elements as well as nutrients. Because of the weathering and breakdown of rocks in it, soil not only provides these essential elements or nutrients, but soil also provides nitrogen fixing bacteria, microbes, and strength to the plant. Whenever the soil is deficient of any essential element, fertilizers are used to enrich it with those essential elements so that the plant growth is not affected. Metabolism of nitrogen, nitrogen cycle. You can see in the diagram, this is atmospheric nitrogen. This nitrogen is converted into ammonia through biological nitrogen fixation and industrial nitrogen fixation, whereas this nitrogen is converted into nitrate through electrical and nitrogen fixation, and this nitrate is further denitrified. The process denitrification occurs and it is converted into atmospheric nitrogen. Here you can see ammonia first gets converted into nitrite and then into nitrate. This nitrate is taken up by plants, and these plants are animal biomass. They both decay and again the ammonification takes place and ammonia is formed. From first of all, atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia. From ammonia, nitrites are formed. Nitrosomonas are responsible for this. And from nitrites, when nitrates are formed, nitrobacter is responsible for it. And for this process of denitrification, pseudomonas are responsible.